In this video, I want to talk about the historical earnings of PAg Ibig's MP2. How much did PAg Ibig MP2 really give you from 2012 all the way to 2019? And guess what, guys? I already have the 2019 dividend disclosure of PAg Ibig MP2. So if you want to know more about that and you are so interested on how you can make passive income from PAg Ibig's MP2, check this video out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin Germo. If you're new to this channel, super appreciate it if you can subscribe and you can smash that bell so you get updated every time I come up with new content about investing, about entrepreneurship, about the stock market, and this time about PAg Ibig's MP2. So if you're excited, watch and stay till the end of the video so you get to see what's in store as you start investing even more. So hey guys, so this video is part 12 of our PAg Ibig MP2 series, and I received a lot of questions asking what's the dividend yield for 2019 and if I have other inputs or other disclosures of its previous dividends. I'm sure a lot of you want to know how it performed, what you could actually get, and I collated everything. It's all here. We're gonna talk about it, so at least you can see how it works and what's the actual earnings, so you can also compare and see how it actually went. And above and beyond that, the reason why I wanted to show this also is to show the point that number one, the earnings aren't really fixed. What I do know is it will crush MP1. It will always be higher than what they would give for MP1. So if MP1 is beating time deposits, you will always have a consideration that MP2 can massively do better than it. So that's one. And number two is, at least it gives you an expectation already, and we're gonna compute it again, our computation, that if you place 5,000 pesos, how much would it be? How much also if you put 300,000? There were some people also asking how much kung 1 million. So I'm gonna put 1 million in it as well. Then how much if you put 500,000? Then you still add 5,000 pesos per month. So that's it. All of this is just to help you guys so that you get to compute for investing and retirement. Please remember this also. For those who are just new to this, I wanted to share that it's nice to have PAg Ibig MP2, but don't just rely on just one income source. The name of the game, that's why I've been giving you different types of investments from real estate, stock market, even cryptocurrencies, is so that you can build different asset classes for you. You have to find multiple sources of income. That's why even though I so love the stock market, I love the PSE, I've been investing in other stock markets as well, and I've been investing in other asset classes because I know it. The name of the game is for you to be able to deploy as much assets as you can so that those assets will work massively hard for you. So let's begin. Are you guys ready? Just comment below if you are ready. By the way, I'm planning to do this YouTube. I got a message from YouTube, or I was able to do some research that I was able to find out that I can create some sort of community where it's members, where we have members, where we can do some sort of YouTube live question and answer. We can also do some sort of stocks by request under a members only zone. So comment below if you're interested about that. You want comment community if you want to be part of that as well. I think I'm gonna roll that out. I don't know either Feb or March, but if you're interested, just let me know if that's something that will help you guys out, and comment if you're ready for this. Anyways, so this is the dividend. So we're gonna go first of all, we're gonna look at the dividend per year, the actual dividends that they've given out per year. That's one. Second, after that, I'm gonna show you how you would have actually earned if you placed money off of it. So number one, let's start 2012. All right, 2012, the dividend was 4.67%. So as you all know, 4.67% still much better than inflation. Much better still also than time deposits. For 2013, it was 4.58. So if you notice it also, it's far from what they were giving out in 2017 and 2018. That's why, please remember, that's why I keep encouraging more people to invest in this, because if there's more people investing in this, they can loan out more money to people who want to buy houses. So people are saying, oh, Marvin, may mga nag-message pa sa akin, Marvin, wag mo na ikalat to kasi pag kinalat mo to, mas madami mag-invest ko, konti kita namin. It doesn't work that way, guys. The more money you actually give PAg Ibig, the more money that they can loan out to people, the more money you could also more Filipinos will benefit from it. And please remember this. Our goal here is not, I'm going off topic, but I wanted to share this. That's a scarcity mentality that you're always trying to hoard money for yourself na ayaw mo kumita ibang tao. The whole goal of this is we want all of us to earn money. That's a poverty mindset that if other people will earn, then you won't earn anymore. That's wrong. That's poverty mindset. That's poverty mentality. You have to understand that your prosperity, your abundance comes from God. That your friend can be blessed, your other friend can be blessed, you can also be blessed also. Pwede tayo sabay-sabay magkaroon ng pera. It doesn't mean that if that person earns, you won't earn anymore. That's wrong. The whole narrative of this is we can all be prosperous and we can all be abundant. We can all have more than enough together. Let's stop with that poverty mindset. Let's stop with that mindset that if one earns, you're not gonna earn anymore. That's so wrong as well. So be happy if you find people who are doing well. Be happy if you find people who are making money. Be happy if people are prosperous. Why? Because you're next. You don't have to be jealous. You don't have di na kailangan mainggit because you will have your time in the sun. You will have yours also as long as you work hard, you push hard, you persevere, you hustle hard. There's grit. Every time you make money, you spend less. You just deploy as much money as you can for it as well. So there. I don't know if this helped someone, but as you all know, for those who have been watching my videos for quite some time, all of this, I don't have any scripts for this. This is all raw. So whatever I feel like sharing, I'll share. So I kind of deviated, but I hope that helped someone, whoever you are. I hope that helped you. Anyways, 2014. Let's see. 2014. 4.69, so still lower than what we were getting in 2017 and 2018, but still better than time deposits and inflation. 2015, 5.34%. 2016, 7.43%. Now that's where it became more interesting already, because getting 7.43% would beat a lot of the preferred shares, a lot of the bonds already. Next, 2017, 8.11%. I think this is one of the highest. 2017 was one of the highest years where PAg Ibig has given out some sort of dividend. So let's continue. 2018, 7.41%. So the past 3 years, 2016, 2017, 2018, have really been very, 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 very good, especially for people who want to get passive returns and passive income for life, no taxes at all. By the way, if you're just watching this for the first time, this is part 12 already of our series in PAg Ibig MP2. You can just go to my playlist and look for PAg Ibig. All of the videos on PAg Ibig are there, just in case I forget to put it in the description below. Anyways, and lastly, ito yung hinihintay ng mga tao, 2019, 7.23%. So if you notice it, though, here's what's interesting. From this is the lowest yield that PAg Ibig has given over the past 4 years. 2016, 2018, 2017 were better years in terms of dividend yield, but nonetheless, 7.23%, still respectable. 7.23% still beats inflation. 7.23% still beats bonds and preferred shares as well. Comment below if you're learning. Now let's see how much would you have earned if you, please remember, PAg Ibig MP2 is 5 years. So I will show you 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's simulate what if you started putting 5,000 pesos a month starting 2015 up until the end of 2019. Then second scenario, what if nag-lump sum ka ng 300,000? I'll also show you 500,000 at 2015. How much would it have been? That this is the actual amount already, actual earnings. Before the previous videos, we did some simulations. And then after that, let's do what if you placed in also a lump sum, then you still place money on a monthly basis, and how much would it be? As you all know, the best way to make money off of this is to make a lump sum, and aside from making a lump sum, you put in a monthly amount so that it becomes bigger, so that you have a larger amount to compound. Anyways, so let's begin. As you can see here, this is the first computation where how do I do this? There, maybe I'll do it like this. Okay, so this is the first computation. You will see right here, right from the get, if you place 5,000 pesos, 60,000 a month, you will get 63,132, 287, 287, then 372,000 pesos at the end of 5 years. So as you notice also, as long as you don't take out the money, the dividend earnings starts to compile and starts to get bigger. Now, based on the other video that we created, how much would you make naman if you made a lump sum? By the way, I just wanted to tweak this just to show if you place a larger amount of money, then suddenly the tips will scale. No? Instead of just putting 5,000, what if you say, I'll just put 10,000 pesos. Then suddenly, what used to be 372, but because you placed in more money, became 745,000 pesos already. So what's interesting is the steady discipline of you doing it will make your money go larger. So here naman, actual earnings, if you place 300,000 pesos here, if you place 300,000 pesos, you would have gotten 422,000 pesos at the end of the 5-year duration. As you can see, putting in a lump sum as compared to putting in monthly, malaki rin yung difference because it allows your money to compound at a larger effect already. So, let's come back here. So, 422,000 pesos. What if you put 500,000? Madami nagtanong, what if I put 500,000 pesos instead? Then it becomes 704,000 pesos. What if you put 1,000,000 pesos? Then it becomes 1.4 million. So, if you look at it also, you placed 1,000,000 pesos 2015, 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, it would have grown by 40% at 1.4 million pesos. And I forgot to say this, 7.23% last year, MP2. MP2 beat the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. MP2 beat mutual funds. MP2 beat UITFs. So those who invested in MP2, congratulations to you. You beat a lot of the funds out there. As the PSEI was lower, you got a higher rate of return at 7.23%. So that's the advantage, by the way, of MP2. No, when the market is bearish, when a crash happens, fixed income like this will generate a larger amount of return. Anyways, let's come back. Are you still learning, guys? We're close to the 12-minute mark. Comment below if I'm learning and you're still staying. I want to show you naman, what if you put in 500,000 pesos? And then from that 500,000 pesos, you decide, sige, I'll put in more money pa. I'll put in 10,000 pesos on a monthly basis. Okay, so now suddenly your money moves up already to 1.2 million pesos. So you see the discipline. If you put in more money, suddenly you will get a larger amount. So the name of the game still is this: discipline. If you have a lump sum, put that kagad. Then if you have extra on a monthly basis, try to put that in as well. So just to recap, these are the dividend yields as well. We don't know how it will come out for 2020, but what you can always be rest assured of is PAg Ibig's MP2 will be massively higher than PAg Ibig's MP1, and PAg Ibig's MP1 will be massively higher still than time deposits as of today. But I'll keep you updated anytime there will be any changes in this, so that you guys also get perspective and context. As you all know, context is everything. So I guess that's it for now. For those who want to attend my seminars in different parts of the world, the links are down below. I have seminars in Manila, Taiwan, Singapore, Dubai, Doha, Tokyo, London, Sydney, Auckland, New Zealand. We also have online seminars, Tagalog stock market course with Shinkitan, business and investing course with Sean C. They're in the description below. And for those who want to order my books, those who love reading, I'm gonna put that below as well. I'm thinking of making an ebook. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, but comment below if that's something that you're also interested in. But it's gonna be a new book, probably another topic altogether. Comment them below if you are interested about that as well. And then yun, super appreciated if you could subscribe, like, and comment in this page as well. So this is Martin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.